If you want Gemini to write in your voice, not as default tone, this is the feature that makes it happen. Here's how to set it up. At the bottom of your doc, click Tools, then Writing Style. Click Add Doc from Drive, and pick any document that represents how you want to write. I'm using my Spotify blog post draft, casual, punchy, conversational. That's the voice I want Gemini to copy. Gemini reads the document and gives you a style summary, a short description of the tone, sentence structure, and vocabulary it detected. Review it. If it looks right, click Confirm. That style is now active for everything Gemini writes in this document. Now just write your prompt like normal. Hit Enter. Wait for it. Same prompt, completely different result. Gemini writes in the casual, punchy voice from my blog post, not its own default tone. Every generation for the rest of the session follows that same style. That's Match Writing Style. Tools, Writing Style, add your source doc, confirm the summary, and Gemini writes in your voice from that point on. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.